Hello, this is Vance, and again, this is still September the 3rd, 2014. I want to come on here and talk a little bit about tight trading ranges, just briefly. Tight trading range is a range whereby, and I consider this type trading range right here, is where price is revisited at least twice to the high and twice to the low in a range. And typically that low can be, on the CL, can be pretty narrow. So I call this a tight trading range. I had a question about individual asked me whether or not does it have to test at least twice? Does it have to revisit to be considered a tight trading range? Well, yes, it does. However, how it trades or how it does that is you can use a little stylized interpretation for that. For instance, in this particular tight trading range, price, consider this a low point right here, or close is close enough. So let's consider this a low point. Price moves up, pulls back, moves up again. So you can consider this the beginning, the high of the tight trading range. Moves down, and now we've got, when it turns around here, consider this a low. So you look at this being the top of the range, and this being the bottom of the range, once price turns around at this area. So it really is almost like confirmed to be a tight trading range, or relatively confirmed, before you even get to this top over here. So you don't necessarily have to have a low to the high, to the low, to the high before you consider it a tight trading range. In fact, you consider the bottom, this could almost be considered the bottom right through here, because you can see price revisited this area, came back, almost touched this area, and resisted on more than one occasion. Came down here, pulled back, came down again, pulled back, and then retested again. So you could say this would be almost the bottom of the tight trading range. You have to really look at it from that perspective, because it'll give you an opportunity to, because when this happens, this is where you try to limit in buy or limit sell near the tops of these ranges. You can see it revisited here, and you have to do that. You have to do this blindly. Let's talk about today. I guess to the individuals referring maybe more so today, but look at this area right here as a tight trading range. Look how narrow that is. You know, it's almost like when you put these bars together, it's like a doji, like a big doji, because buyers and sellers are really capitulating about who's going to wrest control. Are they going to take prices higher and take lower? That's what the definition of a tight trading range is. Therefore, if you're looking at buying or selling in this area like this, you have to do it early. You have to do it near these bottoms. So your 15-tick stop, hopefully you'll have enough room to get out. But you have a 15-tick stop below where your entry point is. Now, or above where your entry point is for a sell. Now, why would I take this trade near this bottom when it doesn't have 15 ticks? Well, it's because of the structure. Because of the fact that price is heading up, that I think this is more like a pause and just a continuation pattern, and I expect it to be up and out of this tight trading range. Fortunately, I was able to get those contracts off, but then it pulls back. And you see the pull back down to here, like reversed down to this area, and when it got back to this area where we had this earlier capitulation, that's when we had the turnaround and a resumption of this trend up. So tight trading ranges can be very narrow, can be as little as 3 bars. Does it have to have confirmation? Well, the confirmation can be as easy as maybe just a tick up above, or just a single spear up through this, because it's like a double top. You know, if you look at a lower time frame, you'll see that this little spike up is like a double top on a lower time frame. So anytime price is revisiting there. So in this particular case, this could be the first time it comes up, and this is the second visit right up here. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope that's relatively clear. Bye for now.